Un partenariat harmonieux et efficace entre la GSF, la PNH.
On behalf of the Haitian people, I welcome to Haiti the new Kenyan officers. I express my gratitude for their willingness to serve alongside the National Police and the armed forces of Haiti at this decisive moment. Haiti needs this support. The restoration of security is an imperative to allow the holding of elections, to guarantee the return to constitutional order, and to offer present and future generations the hope of a better life. I wish them a good return and a joyful reunion with their families. Haiti will never forget them, and our nation will be eternally grateful. Thank you for your service.
Je souhaite saluer les membres